Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
You will find the bulk stabilizer sway bar links used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. In order to change the sway bar links on your vehicle, it is necessary to lift the front of your vehicle and to remove the wheels to have complete access to the suspension system. Raise the front of the vehicle and put it in the two-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. The sway bar links connect the sway bar to the shock absorbers to always ensure that the wheels remain on the ground. These elements can often get jammed, so use a penetrating oil to facilitate the operation. To replace it, start by releasing and removing the upper tie rod on the axle joint of the sway bar links. To do this, take a 16mm spanner and a 30 Torx socket. Stop the rotation of the tie rod with the Torx socket and remove the nut using the spanner. Repeat the operation on the lower tie rod.
Hello! If this video helps you, like and subscribe.
Take the new stabilizer bar link. Put it into the upper housing and start to screw the nut in a little. Then insert the lower part. It may be necessary to lever it in so that it goes in properly. Put the second nut in. Tighten up the nuts again using a socket wrench, a 16mm socket and the Torx 30 socket. Finalize the tightening of the screws with a torque wrench. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on the vehicle, putting it back on the ground before properly fixing them in place. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.